Hi, and I'm going to be showing you how to take apart your Spyder Victor Paintball Gun. And all you need is the Allen wrench it comes with. First thing you're going to do is obviously take your barrel off. It's the easiest thing to do. Set it aside, you won't need it. And then after that, you'll just have your gun. You're going to turn it over and you're going to see these two bolts right here and here. You're just going to unscrew the Allen wrench. Okay, one more to go. Okay, then that's just going to pop off. I just leave the bolts in there. And then what you're going to do is you're going to unscrew this right here. Just twist it, comes right off. Okay, and then you're going to set this aside. Don't lose these bolts right there. Okay, and then you're just going to have this. What you want to do is turn it over again. And as you can see, there's a bolt right here and right there. You're going to unscrew these two. Easier just to do this. Okay, you don't want to lose these either. Just put them by something so you don't, you know where they are. This one's a little harder, but you just do this. Okay, once you get that out, just hold your trigger like down and then get that screw. Don't lose that. Set this aside. Then you're just going to have this left. What you're going to do is, as you can see, there's no pin anywhere like a regular Spyder marker would, but you're just going to pull this bolt up and the bolt comes right out. Clean it, whatever, and then you can see there's nothing inside. Then what you're going to do is you're going to unscrew this. Make sure you're pushing down a little bit because it will pop out and you might lose your spring or something. Like that. Set this aside. And your spring, change it, whatever, clean it off. And then if you tilt it upside down, your hammer should come out and you can grease that up. And then there's just a stopper in there. You can take it out if you want. It really doesn't matter, but that's how you take apart your Spyder Victor marker.